Inigo. How are you today, my dear? How is my Inigo? Oh, ang likot-likot ng Inigo ko. Just finished my milk, Lola. I finished 2 ounces. My mommy is out. She went to see her doctor because she's having hypertension. Ooh, who's handsome? Who's handsome there? There is my little handsome boy. Hi, handsome. Who's handsome? My little Inigo is very handsome. There. Oh, you're sleepy na, baby. My Inigo is sleepy na. Ooh, you're sleepy na, darling. Hmm? You sleep well tonight, baby, huh? Yes. You're smiling. Your guardian angel is playing with you. Huh? Hi, baby. How are you? So take a bath tomorrow, okay?